We have a very sick patient this afternoon. He could be terminally ill. This Jefferson magnetic drill has had the Humpty Dumpty experience. In other words, it's had a great fall, and there's a break there in the top of the motor plastic, and this wire seems all over the place. Early diagnosis points to a coma brought on by concussion, so we're going to have to put it in intensive care and see if we can bring it round. So with it plugged in, the patient is unresponsive. So we got to unplug and check the fuse. We have to start somewhere. Fuse is okay. So we'll go to the other end of the power cable now and open this, get in here and test in here to see what's going on. See, there's another fuse here, so we'll open this first to see what's going on here. Nothing wrong there. So we'll commence with trying to get into the electronics here. Get the lid off and do a bit of surgery. It's not too bad. Test the earth first. Earth's good. So test the live, the brown. And test the blue, Yeah, it's good. Test continuity through the magnet switch. Yeah, all good there. Turn the on and off switch. Yeah, it's good as well. So there's nothing going on with this part of the lead, though it does look a wee bit suboptimal. If you hear sheep bleating in the background, don't be alarmed. My neighbours are sheep, and they've just been fed there. The farmer scattered some feed in the ground for them. They're foraging around it there. No sheep have been harmed or interfered with in the making of this video. To go further, we had to rotate the patient round here, and we're going to have to get into the brain to see what's going on here. I suppose we're going to do a bit of brain surgery now. Because the patient was dropped in their head, you know. And we're probably going to have to go a bit further though, just to make sure it's coming through. But anyway, we can test the lead when we're here. We can pull those two off and do a bit of a test. So that one's okay. So we'll test the other one. And the other one's just fine as well. They're okay. Right, we've got to flip the patient again and pull these screws at the front to see if we can remove the motor now, because that's how far in we've had to go. So here we are. Nothing obstructing the motor. There's a bit of plastic. It seems alright, you know. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. We've got a damaged armature here. I've got a damaged armature. It might be terminal. I'm probably going to have to talk to the customer. The armature is damaged there. Whatever's broke off the top has come down and damaged the armature. I'd say that's what's probably happened this thing. Yeah. A little bit of the whiting there as well. We don't want to see that. It says done enough to damage the armature, which is not what we want to see. So for now, it's very bad news for the Jefferson. Whatever's happened to it seems to be terminal for now. I phoned up to see if I could get an armature for it, and there's no armature available for at least 3 months. So basically we're waiting on a donor at this point. We're going to have to put her in dialysis for a while. So it's a goner for now, but hey, we might revisit this in a few months' time. We'll see what happens. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.